Okay, today we're going to uncover the TR7 so I can get on video the noise that the transmission makes when it's in neutral with the engine running. So let's get to it. Okay, it's November 17th. Just uncovered the car. It's a very warm, nice warm day here in Long Island, New York, South Shore. And we'll go inside the car. Here's what it looks like. Oh. Okay. So let's hear this transmission noise, everybody. I don't need this battery disconnect anymore, but it comes in handy. Okay, here's the shifter. It's nice and tight. There's really no play in it or anything. Beautiful. Okay. The only thing I did on this was unscrew the knob here and put some Loctite on it so the numbers are perfectly straight. Otherwise they were like, crooked. I didn't like that. That's all I did with this. And I did a tranny flush. Flush and fill. Alright, I'm going to start it. I got my big Crocs on, so I'm hitting all the pedals at once here. Alright, let it warm up a little bit. I'm just going to pause the video so you don't have to wait for me to warm up the car a little bit. I have the clutch pedal pressed down all the way right now, so you're not hearing the noise yet. Okay? Okay, she's idling. In neutral. Pedals in. Now, if I could hear it from where my ears are, I'm going to put the phone where my ears are. Okay, ready? Listen. Just want you to see the pedal orientation. Okay, ready? Try to block the sun a little bit. Okay, ready? Hear the noise? I'm going to press the pedal in. Pedal's in, no noise. Now I'm going to take the pedal out. Listen. Now I'm going to put the pedal in. Okay, ready? Ready, ladies and gentlemen? I'm going to take the pedal out. Let go of the clutch pedal. 3, 2, 1. So that's the noise, everybody. Vance and Steve and everybody. Press the pedal in. It does affect RPMs a little. Pedal in. See, there's a little load on it, see? Pedal in. Pedal in, out. In. Now let me rev it a little bit. See, the noise increases as the revs increase. Well, I think I get it back up to idle here. There we go. All right, so there you go. She's coming up to temperature. Wow, this thing so wants to be driven. Gotta love this. There's the noise. No noise. Pedal out. There you go. The clutch in this is great though. I mean, this shifts beautifully. There's absolutely no issues with this transmission except this little bit of noise here. Alright, thanks everybody. Hope this video enabled you to hear the noise. I mean, I'm just talking at a regular voice level, but you can definitely hear it. Okay, thanks. Oh, have a nice Thanksgiving, everybody, next week. Enjoy the turkey. Bye.